Got the local train coming. 48 axles.
You never know what they'll do. It depends what they got going on. They might today, because it did seem like there's something going on there. He's got to be getting down to this one. You know, of course, he had those two northbound CSX he had to get by, and then he's got that loaded coal train he's got to get by, too. So, no problem. Was it like yellow and green?
Oh, I just think it was that minimum. And I told Norman, I said, hey, they got a damn development up there in Ohio. He must have been the one that straight out and said, what's his back door? I don't know.
Yeah, he did.
I don't know if he's going through his back door.
Well, if it's green and white containers, it was probably going through the back door. If it was like a variety of colors.
Green and white.
Okay, so what's the 26C going through the back door then?
What's that?
The containers on the there's like, I know there's,
The hub?
the hub, yeah.
The hub.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, there's a lot of, if that was basically all it was, like those green and white containers, that was probably 26C.
I put them on my face for 6 weeks or something.
Yeah, that might be like 78 or something. He did blow with that narrator. Yeah. You know, fourth of all,
That was a good short train, so that was a local train around here, so excuse me there. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please hit the subscribe button, make a comment if you like. Or you watch this, I hope you have a good day, be safe out there. Until next time, I get a train video.